I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Minimalist Vitamin B5 Moisturizer and Serum. First, always begin with a freshly cleansed face to ensure maximum absorption. Take just 2 or 3 drops of the B5 serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat this lightweight serum all over your face and neck. Give it about 60 seconds to fully absorb into your skin, preparing it for the next step in your routine. This ensures your skin is ready to receive all the benefits. Once your serum has absorbed, it's time for the B5 moisturizer. Scoop out a small, pea-sized amount onto your fingertips. Gently dot this hydrating cream onto your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Then, using soft, upward motions, massage it evenly into your skin. Make sure to cover your entire face and neck for complete hydration. This step locks in moisture and supports your skin barrier. The correct layering order is crucial for optimal results. Always apply the serum first, allowing it to penetrate deeply, then follow with the moisturizer to seal everything in. This powerful duo works synergistically. Vitamin B5, also known as panthenol, is excellent for supporting your skin's natural barrier. It helps to calm and soothe irritation, reducing visible redness and promoting a healthier complexion. For best results, incorporate both the B5 serum and moisturizer into your routine twice daily, once in the morning and again at night. These products are generally well tolerated by most skin types, even sensitive ones. Remember, consistency is absolutely key to seeing noticeable improvements in your skin's hydration and overall health. Always store your products in a cool, dry place to maintain their efficacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.